Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to set up a coming soon page or maintenance mode using Elementor. If you're creating a new website or making modifications to an existing one, you probably don't want your visitors to see it until it's ready to go live. So, in this scenario, I'd want to show this coming soon page to inform my visitors that things aren't quite ready yet. Also, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a template for a coming soon or maintenance page, enable it, and finally review it as a visitor. In today's tutorial, I am using the affiliate listing blog WPGoPro.club website as we did with our last 5 videos. This video, although it stands by itself, could also be considered as part of the series for creating the affiliate listing blog. If you want to watch the full series, I am going to put the links in the description below. Also, they are available in the info cards for this video if you click on the top right corner of the video. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at WPGoPro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. In the WordPress dashboard, head to Templates. Then click Add New. Make sure that you have this set as a page template and then give it a name. We'll call ours the Coming Soon page. By default, we can see the theme's header page title and footer. Since we would like to prevent visitors from navigating the website, we can choose to hide these elements. Select the settings icon and switch the page layout to Elementor Canvas. The Canvas page layout allows us to design with complete freedom and automatically removes the page header, page title, and footer that are set by our theme. If you click the library icon and search for Coming Soon or Maintenance, you'll find some great designs to start with. The majority of them are for Elementor Pro, but you get a few options for the free version as well. If you like any template for the Pro version and you want to purchase it, I will leave the link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you purchase it using the link, I may receive a small commission. However, there is no additional charge to you. This helps me continue to create the free content that I publish. So, back to the available templates. You can choose one of these, or you can create your own customized design. I'm going to go ahead and insert a template that I created earlier. Whenever we import a template, we'll be asked if we would like to also import the document settings of the template. In this case, we'll select No. Alright, very good. Once you've finished building your template, just make sure your design is responsive as well. Then click Publish. All we have to do now is return to the WordPress dashboard and activate the Coming Soon mode. On the dashboard, go to Elementor Tools. Then go to the Maintenance Mode tab. Then change the field, choose Mode, to Coming Soon. If your website has different levels of access, you can decide here who will be able to view it. For example, administrators or editors can see it, or you can set it to everybody that is logged in. Next, choose the template that we've just created and then click the Save Changes button. We'll now see a red notice saying Maintenance Mode at the top of our dashboard. The website will be available to you as an administrator but not to your visitors. To see this in action, you can log out or simply open up the website in incognito mode in your browser. So this is our live website. I am going to refresh the page and as you can see, we get a nice, Coming Soon page. The same thing applies when you're working on a live website and you wish to disable it for a short period. This is good practice so that your visitors don't experience any broken pages. In this instance, you should enable Maintenance Mode. The difference with Maintenance Mode is that your website temporarily deters search engines and tells them to come back later. This is achieved with a 503 response, which informs search engines that you're simply performing maintenance and won't affect your ranking. It's important to ensure your website is accessible as often as possible, so be sure not to have maintenance mode activated for too long. Just like with the Coming Soon mode, your visitors will see this page instead of an unfinished website. Okay guys, you now know how to set up a Coming Soon page or maintenance mode using Elementor. If you liked this video and you don't want to miss my weekly videos related to WordPress and business online, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. My name is Nick and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.